Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study physics grade 12 step by step. Start by mapping the syllabus into weekly units and set one clear goal per week. Tackle core topics first and schedule focused problem practice every day. Use short active recall sessions and spaced repetition to lock in formulas. Balance concept study with mixed problem sets to improve transfer and exam confidence. Work actively by solving problems, not just reading notes, to build real skills and speed. Time yourself on past papers and mix easy and hard questions to target weak areas. Create concept maps that link equations to physical intuition and real examples. Teach solutions aloud or to a study partner to reveal gaps, then revisit those topics with focused practice until they feel natural and reliable under pressure. Gather a small set of trusted resources and use them strategically to support practice. Create one compact summary sheet of essential formulas and derivations for quick review before sessions. Watch brief concept videos only when you are stuck, then immediately solve related problems to solidify understanding. Rely on a formula booklet to verify work after practice, rather than during initial learning, so you build recall and problem solving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.